Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Okay na?
Bluetooth committed.
5-3. Walang smile po. Team 2. Ay, ano ba? Tutukan ba? Sorry, Team 1. Walang smile.
Go, go. X-Men, team 1. X-Men now, team 1. Aaron, Leonard, William, Elsie, June. Okay, we're back. Okay, early freestyle. Riley, Gary, Gary. Oy! The princess of the Disney theme. Bravo, Gary. Riley to Owen. Left on the attack. Check call. Josh serving. Gary. Josh to Lodi. On the block. On the block. Gary to set to him. And then episode na iba dalawa. Still serving, Josh. YouTube. The YouTubers. Riley. Tulan niyo ma.
Palitan mo muna yung address ng
From Team Pilipinas, Madi. Madaya. Charot. Madi Madaya on the third on ever. Carl serving for Team YouTube. Very interception. Gary, back to Riley on the attack. Crystal on the big. Public ni Crystal. Si Mars, hinulog ni Gary. Josh will set it to the open. He on the attack. Received by Gary. Rem. Wow! And makes a point. That's for Team Disney. Disney Princesses. We're so tired. We're so tired of the race. Riley serving for the princesses. Crystal, Nolby, Sam. Attack error point for Team Disney 4. 1 point advantage for the princesses. Riley, serving for the princesses of Disney. Josh to Nolby. 2-point advantage now for Team Disney.
Jollibee abstract. Matagal.
Pasensya na kasi nakabuang bibigyan naman. Still serving
Walang
Riley
chicken joy gago.
for Team Disney. Guard on that reception. Binigay kay Sam. Check. Check ball. Check ball ni Sam. Isa na yung check ball, di ba? Sam, na-check mo. Na-check na ni Sam, di ba? You-check the ball. Card, binalik. Nakuha ni Matty, Gary on the drop card on that coverage. Back to Rem, over. Mary Yonis. Rem on the attack. Na-receive ni Josh. Noti was set to Sam. Ang line up mo. Stop. Choose. You choose. Comment down below. Mary Eunice. Serving. 14. YouTube. Rem on the reception. Gary will set it to Rem. The open card on the reception. Josh to Crystal. Gary. Back to you. Josh to Nolby on the top speed. Gary will set the open. Rem. Josh on the reception. Nolby as a setter. In over his hand. Binigay sa middle. Josh. Oops. Walang kumuha. It's so nice to be back here in Camellia, Tracy. Nice music. That's Ace, Service Ace by Mary Eunice.
Magkamamanong ka ba? Ano?
Still serving Mary Eunice.
Ano?
Maddie. Gary.
White fries.
Setting Rem. Eunice on that reception. Josh. To Sam. Riley on the dig. Rem. Attack error. Point for Team YouTube. Still serving 6. Serving 8.
Etong 77.
Jonah. Gary to Mare. That was a very hard spike. Gary to Rem. Carl. Josh. Crystal. Maddie on that reception. Rem. Over.
Gago,
You.
current location ko na.
Noti.
Current location.
Nice attack. Gary send it to back line. Swipe attack. Sam. On the block. You serving Jonah, Gary, and that's a point for Mariah. Mariah Carey. Rem serving for Team Disney. Nicer. Carl, Josh, bibigay kay Nolby, block by Mariah. Then, service error, point for Team YouTube. Nolby serving for YouTuber. Serve Yes, inside. Maddie. Riley to Jonah. Carl. Bigay kay Sam. No check.
Order ka na.
Gary. Serving for team Disney. Carl. Josh. Bigay kay Sam. Not over. Gary Pagkamanan. Nolby. Over. Kenneth. Nolby. We're tied at 11. Gary of Team Disney serving for on the left side. Crystal Riley. Rem. Nolby on that reception, Josh. Kenneth. On the regalo. Grabe yun nasa left side mga legendary na. Charot. Parang kapanulan ni Coach Dulce. Charot. Charot lang. Jonah, ay Kenneth. Ay Sir Riley. Gary to Maddie. You. Josh to Crystal. Nice attack. Jonah. Gary will send it to Maddie. On the opposite. Josh to Carl. Riding on that reception. Kenneth. Trap ball. Points for Team YouTube. 3-point advantage. Service outside. Point for Team Disney. 12-14. Para sa itong carbonara, sino may birthday? Ay, ganun lang. Basta meron ng pagkain. Siya lang yung intrinsy. Ng mga bashers. Carl, yung nasa likod. Nolby. Ay, Nolby, meron ka ba? So, parang may galit ka dyan, Nolby. Kenneth serving for Team Disney. The Mariah Carey of the bashers. Nolby sets Carl in over. Reception by Jonah. Riley on that rare attack error. Serving is Crystal on the right side for Team YouTube. Service good. Gary will send it to Maddie. Serving Pinky Chaya of Bashers. What? We're tied at 15. Jonah Garcia. Serving Josh. Ken. Gary. And Riley. Serving serving Maddie. Noldy. Reception. Carl over. Rapper. Rem over. Next na lang reception. Josh will block on the block. Maddie. Gary will give it to Rem. Sam on that reception. Josh to Carl. Nice block. Maddie serving for Team Disney. 17-16. Noldy. Buwan ni Josh. Pinali ni Carl. Gary will set Riley. Sam on the reception. Josh to Noldy on the opposite. Receive by Ken. Gary on the attack. Oops, and one. 2-point advantage for Team Disney. Now serving Maddie. Noldy. Josh bibigay ng card. Net. Puntos yan para sa Team YouTube. Rem. Powerful attack by Sam. We're now tied at 18. Sorry. 10. 19-18. 14-18. 2 more points for Team YouTube on the advantage. Riley. Gary, back to Riley. Blocked by Noldy. Last point. Set point po para sa Team YouTube. Nice block, Noldy. Card. Kay Maddie. Drop ball. Gary. Riley bili kay Rem. Sam. And that's the end of the set. YouTube winning this set 21-18. Next game! 1 versus 2. Ay, okay. Next game, Netflix, Apple TV.